Hi, my name is Shekar Mantha, and I'm going to talk about how to conduct an effective retrospective if you're an agile coach or a scrum master, and how to give good feedback in a retrospective if you're a team member. This video is part of a series I'm creating called Practical Agile or How to Practice Agile. So I'll just briefly, I'll discuss the principles governing a good retrospective and suggest some guidelines. So a good retrospective should have three things, as the Agile textbooks say. What should the team continue doing because it worked? What should the team stop doing because it did not work? And what are the new things that the team can adopt as ideas that they can experiment with and improve their processes? So that's what the textbooks say, and that's great. And that's really what you want. But normally in practice, what I have seen is, and this is particularly true if the team member is new to Agile, they'll end up, typical retrospective feedback will be something like this. Oh, the last sprint was great. I got a lot done. And yes, that's what everybody wants, is every team member to get a lot done. But that's not retrospective feedback. That's just giving status. And you give status in your stand-ups and show your software in a demo. What you really want in a retrospective is uh, two more things. One is, how was the experience as a team member in the last sprint? How many collaboration sessions did you have with other team members? What new things did you learn? Um, so, for example, a good retrospective would be something like this. I was working on a problem, I spent half an hour on it, and I was stuck. And I raised my head, asked somebody for help, and X, you know, heard my request. She came right over, helped me, and I was unblocked. So here you are illustrating how collaboration is helping you become more productive, and how the team members are very connected, aligned. Everybody knows what the issues are in terms of what the team is working on. And so there is no ramp up, etc., etc. And so you're talking about your personal experience within the team. So that's one important thing. And then the other thing that you want to share is, what are your views about the team culture itself? Did you happen to have a water cooler session with one of the stakeholders and you learned something new? Maybe the team can take that idea, saying, I met Y at the water cooler, and he is a stakeholder. Everybody knows who Y is. And he and I had this great discussion. So maybe the team should sort of formalize that, saying maybe we should have more discussions with Y, or make sure that Y attends the demos. So this kind of feedback will be really useful in improving the productivity of the team, the culture of the team, and the quality of the software you're building. Because remember, ultimately, these are the guiding principles. Agile says you want to have a self-managing team. So if the team is going to be self-managing, when does the team actually get together and discuss the principles, the governance that is being used within the team? What are the principles? How is the team functioning? Is the culture good? Are the team members, content with how things are working, or is there grumbling going on? All these things need to come out, surface during the retrospective. So, so the negative stuff that is impeding the performance of the team can be addressed. As mature adults, you can have discussion about it, rationally think through and solve them. And the things that are working can be taken in and incorporated and made part of the team's behavior. So this is really what you want to accomplish in a retrospective. Thank you for watching. I'm going to create more videos as we go along, so watch this space as well. And as you have been doing for the other videos, please continue to like them and share them with your colleagues and friends. And any feedback you give me, I would appreciate that. Thank you very much.